Manatee, guardians of tranquility. Exploring the lives of nature's gentle giants.
By AI for Kids. Welcome to the world of manatees, where the gentle giants of the aquatic realm glide gracefully. This book delves into the remarkable lives of manatees, emphasizing their role in ecosystems and the cultural significance they hold. Through stories of their gentle nature and the myths they've inspired, we seek to deepen appreciation and understanding of these icons of peace and balance. As we journey through their habitats and explore conservation challenges, let us be inspired by their serene presence and motivated to protect their world. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Majestic habitat, the manatees' serene domains.
In the gentle embrace of the Caribbean waves and the rich waters of the Amazon, the manatees enjoy their aquatic sanctuaries. These tranquil creatures find solace both in the salty ocean tides and freshwater rivers, adapting seamlessly to their diverse habitats. As they glide effortlessly through water, their presence hints at an innate wisdom born of centuries of aquatic life. The serene environments where they dwell are alive with vibrant aquatic flora, serving as both refuge and feast, enriching the tapestry of life within these ecosystems.
Experience the manatees' world, where the sea meets the river, and the majesty of nature is rendered calm and pure. In such environments, the manatee thrives, embodying tranquility and teaching us to respect the rhythm of nature. The currents of the sea feel like a gentle heartbeat. Here, within these boundless waters, I drift in harmony with the world around me, savoring each moment.
Gentle giants, the harmonious nature of manatees.
Often mistaken for mermaids by ancient sailors, manatees possess a gentle demeanor. Known as sea cows, they roam slowly through their watery domains, embodying calmness and a profound connection with their environment. These remarkable beings are distinguished by their large, yet gentle form, characterized by a rounded, paddle-shaped tail and flippers perfect for a life spent navigating underwater currents. They move with deliberate grace, a testament to their peaceful, ancient existence.
Marvel at the tender elegance of the manatee, creatures that capture the imagination with stories of legendary sea nymphs, offering a reminder of the gentle power present in nature. I glide effortlessly beneath the sunlit waves, a being of grace and peace. Here, in my realm, time moves with the flow of the ocean.
Herbivorous harmony, the manatee's diet.
Roaming across aquatic meadows, manatees graze on a bountiful menu of aquatic plants and algae. In their daily feast, they consume up to 15% of their body weight, playing an essential role in maintaining the balance of aquatic vegetation. This herbivorous lifestyle not only sustains their substantial bodies but supports the ecosystems they inhabit by keeping waterways open and navigable for other species.
Witness the dining ritual of the manatee, an underwater ballet of peaceful foraging. Through this act, they contribute to the serenity and balance of their environment. Each mouthful brings nourishment to my body and life to the waterways. In every leaf, I taste the essence of tranquility.
Solitude and society, behavioral traits of manatees.
Predominantly solitary creatures, manatees cherish the calm of minimal interaction, yet they occasionally delight in the companionship of small groups. Armed with an acute sense of curiosity, they explore their realms, forming transient bonds in warm waters where social gatherings occur. Driven by instinctual migrations, they travel according to the season's call, embodying resilience and adaptability in response to nature's rhythm.
Join the manatee in its solitary pursuit of peace, exploring the gentle dance between independence and community that defines this enigmatic creature. I savor the moments shared with fellow voyagers, though my solitary path is equally fulfilling. Together, apart, I wander.
The circle of life. Manatee reproduction.
At the heart of the life cycle, manatee mothers nurture their young with tender devotion. With a slow reproductive rate, a single calf is born every 2 to 5 years after an extended gestation. Upon their birth in water, calves begin swimming instantly, guided by maternal care that lasts for up to 2 years. This prolonged period of nurturing fortifies the calf with the skills needed to thrive in nature's embrace.
Experience the tender bond between mother and calf, where gentle teaching imbues the young with the courage to conquer the waves. Witness life's continuity as it unfolds quietly and deliberately. In the presence of my calf, I feel the continuity of life. The world teaches through its caress, as I guide each new step.
Guardians of waterways. Manatees' ecological role.
As caretakers of their aquatic domains, manatees hold the key to the ecological health of waterways. Their consumption of aquatic vegetation shapes plant populations, facilitating nutrient cycles and sustaining biodiversity. In this act of natural stewardship, they ensure the symphony of life continues to resonate, embodying a crucial link in waterway conservation.
Observe the manatee's quiet yet powerful influence on its environment, a safeguard of balance and a champion of biodiversity, echoing lessons in sustainable living. I am but one in an intricate web, ensuring life's melody continues to play. My appetite shapes the stage for others.
On the brink. Conservation status of manatees.
Vulnerable in the face of modern threats, manatees navigate challenges such as habitat degradation and collisions with watercraft. Conservation efforts led by passionate guardians focus on protecting habitats, implementing speed zones, and raising public awareness to safeguard these gentle giants. The urgency of their plight serves as a rallying cry for ecological consciousness and action.
Ponder the delicate existence of the manatee, a symbol of the planet's fragility and resilience. Through global stewardship, the story of the manatee can continue seamlessly. The future beckons with both promise and peril. My survival depends on harmony between the natural world and human endeavor.
Legends and lore. Cultural significance of the manatee.
Embodied in myths and cherished by indigenous cultures, manatees hold a profound cultural significance. Linked historically with mermaid legends, they serve as symbols of calm and tranquility, representing enduring ties to the sea. Their presence reminds us of shared heritage and the bonds between humans and nature, enriching the tapestry of cultural lore across continents.
Immerse in the tales of yore where manatees inspire both wonder and harmony. Their mythic legacy continues through stories whispered by the tides. As tales of old are woven, I am reborn anew in human hearts as both myth and guardian.